Okay, let's dive into this. Today, we're exploring the absolutely wild biological mystery of the bowhead whale.
This magnificent Arctic giant can literally live for over 200 years. Talk about defying aging.
Even crazier, despite weighing 80 tons with trillions of dividing cells, it basically never gets cancer.
So what's going on? That's Peto's paradox, the weird mystery of why massive animals don't get tumors. And this brilliantly illustrates the secret. Whales don't just dodge cellular damage, they flawlessly repair it. Meet the hero, CIRBP. Whales pump out 100 times more of this cold-activated repair protein.
It's the ultimate first responder. It rushes to DNA damage, locks it down, and guarantees accurate repair.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the breakthrough. This genetic superpower is actually transferable.
By popping the whale's CIRBP gene into human cells, we dramatically boosted our own DNA repair.
Let's move to and see how this builds the Villavi-Mito health strategy. The core philosophy? Repair, don't replace.
To stabilize our genome against aging, we've got to repair our mitochondria, our literal cellular batteries. Enter Villavi's T8 Extra, 90%. It's a supplement specifically crafted to restore that crucial cellular energy.
So the crucial point is the CIRBP complex. Look how these three natural components aggressively protect our cells. These highly concentrated polyprenols are basically the whale's first responders, repairing those damaged mitochondrial cellular membranes. Working together, these ingredients crush the oxidative stress that's actually driving the whole human aging program.
And the protocol is super simple. Just a 2 milliliter daily serving of T8 Extra dissolved in water.
So, the real question is, are you ready to emulate the whale and upgrade your cellular batteries today?